Our natural face packs and hair mask will keep you fresh and hydrated. For more information, watch our complete video. Enjoy this beautiful summer.
These days, many of us are enjoying the summer in all over the world. But just think, if you had to stay outside for a couple of hours, what will happen to your skin and hair? Actually, recently, I had to go for shopping at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I noticed it was so hot, my skin was burning. When I came home, I noticed that my hair was so dry and lifeless. Actually, these bright UV rays can damage your skin, increase the risk of premature aging, dark spots, and fine lines. So today, I thought of doing a video to tell you how to protect your skin and hair from this summer. So today in this video, I'm going to make a face mask and a hair mask. So without further ado, let's start. For a face mask, I'm using nourishing and cooling ingredient, that is Amla extract. I'm using half cup of Amla extract and half cup of natural aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of rose petal powder, 5 to 6 saffron threads, and 1 tablespoonful of milk. All these natural ingredients are super hydrating and help to balance the sun damages. So mix these all ingredients very well. Mix them well for about 10 to 15 minutes and store it in a glass container. Apply our face mask all over the face, neck and ears. Leave it for 30 minutes and wash off with cold water. So now let's make a hair mask. For our skin as well as your hair, Amla is a super nourishing ingredient. I use half cup of thick Amla extract, half cup of fresh aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoonfuls of Henna powder, and 1 tablespoonful of virgin coconut oil. All these natural ingredients have cooling properties, relieve your headaches, and calm down your heat. Mix all the ingredients very well. Then apply on your scalp, leave it for 20 minutes and wash off with a mild shampoo. Apply our face pack and hair mask twice a week. And another small tip. Furthermore, use a broad spectrum sunscreen, at least SPF 30 or above. At least use it 20 minutes before you go outside. Repeat it every 2 hours if you are swimming or excessively sweating. Follow these simple tips and enjoy your beautiful summer. Thank you for watching.